We're shocked by the development and the news that was reported last night. No, the ombudsman's main thrust is really to get this investigation still going despite any developments of this nature. Pero ang unang gagawin ho ng we've coordinated with several agencies and departments to first confirm the identity of the body found in Benguet. Kailangan muna natin alamin kung siya ba talaga yon. Not for anything, it's really just to make sure and to be certain that there is no other theory that may develop out of this. No? So naninigurado lang talaga muna tayo. After we are able to ascertain the identity through the different agencies and departments that are assigned to this, we want to have a hold and take custody of the cell phones and other gadgets of former USEC Cathy Cabral. And obviously, the reason for this is quite obvious dahil gusto natin malaman kung sino-sino po ang kausap niya before this had happened, to see if there's anything in relation to our investigation here with regards to the flood control investigations. We know that former USEC Cathy Cabral is very central to our investigation, and we need to preserve the integrity of all the information that she may have held while she was alive, and especially when she was the USEC of DPWH. There are several information that have reached us, several reports that have reached us, that she has a list of these proponents and the projects. No, so this was a subject of an inquiry that was conducted by the Office of the Ombudsman. I'm still getting a report, but she was invited to the office for questioning a few days ago. Again, I will get the full report to you guys as soon as I have it. However, yung mga investigators ho natin, yung mga prosecutors na kausap niya, ang observation nila ay nag-lawyer up na po si former USEC Cabral, and there was not much information shared at the time that they conducted this inquiry or questioning. No? So, yung usapan pa kasi noon was for her to know what charges were forthcoming so that she could strategize also accordingly, which understandably so, the Office of the Ombudsman was willing to talk to her and to slowly gather information as she became more and more comfortable, no, with the setting.